I'm Jen DeTracey, the founder of Women Thriving with MS, where we help guide and coach women to live their best lives with multiple sclerosis through our programs, our free group, and coaching. And you know what? I'm so excited. This is the last video. This is the final video of this series. And I just want to say with you, when we circle back to the MS stress release process, as you know, I spent years learning the content that I'm sharing with you in this course, in this online self-paced course. You don't have to leave your house. You can do it in your underwear if you want. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars, because you know that until March 31st, 2022, you get it for $27. Plus you get the bonus. After you've completed that third week, you get the bonus of getting a coaching session with me that's worth $150. That's even, and that's just, the icing on the cake of all the benefits that you're going to get in this program. The one thing that you need to know is that you also have a guarantee. So when you complete the program within a 30-day period, if you are not fully satisfied, you will get your money back from this course. I guarantee it. That is the guarantee. I have confidence in the content. I know you're going to love it. But for some reason, if you're sitting on the fence and you're not sure about signing up for this course, know that you have that 30-day guarantee to get your money back. So that is important. So the question becomes, how are you letting stress impact your life on a day-to-day basis? That bad stress that sends messages to your brain that puts you into that place of fight or flight or freeze, where you feel paralyzed and your system starts to shut down, you go into shock, and you recognize that that's not how you want to live your life. That living with MS is a challenge in itself, and having those thoughts in your head all the time, the stress that's circling around in your brain. And you're like, that's it. I want to learn how to harness in my life more control, calm my nervous system. You want to feel like you can gain more confidence and have more clarity and more energy, and also feel more empowered in your life. And this is the course for you. This is it. You get to go through it at your own pace. You're going to learn all the tools, every single tool that I have used in my own life, you're going to get to use. Now, you don't have to use them all. You just need to figure out what's the one that's best for you. And I'm going to guide you through this process, take you through it step by step by step. And then you get to practice it. But with having guidance, with me, you get to move from surviving with MS to striving with MS. This is the key. The key to living your best life with MS is to focus on reducing and releasing stress. You can have the best diet in the world. You can do exercise. But if you have up here these blocks that are in your brain, the penthouse suite, that are sending messages to your brain saying you're not safe, you don't matter, then, all that stuff is just, it's not going to cut it. This is where the rubber hits the road. This is where you get to make the most significant changes in your life. And once you learn these techniques, some of them you can do within minutes, shifting your state from that state of fight or flight or freeze by just taking a moment to use a distraction technique, or changing your state in another way, which I talk about in lesson number 4, module number 4, and the power of busting through adversity. It's all there for you. You have access to this for the lifetime that this course is available. So if you need to take a little longer to get through it, that's no problem. This course is here for you. I designed it for you. I created it for you so that I could take all of the years of experience I had and all of the energy and time, money that I put in and serve it to you so that you have access to it. Each week you get a new module over the course of 4 weeks. And now it's time for you to make that decision. It's time for you to say, I commit to myself. I commit to reducing stress in my life, getting rid of, or at least reducing bad stress, calming your nervous system, having the tools that you need so that you can feel you have more control, so you have more time and energy to focus on the things that matter to you most in life, to feel empowered, to wake up in the morning feeling like you want to start your day, that you have that capacity to do it, that you believe in yourself. The MS stress release process is a step-by-step process that takes you through how you can do that. And you're going to find the right tool just for you. You're going to go, that's the one for me. I get it. And just like Rhonda recognized with her breathing, and Elaine and Kathy and Rebecca, Connie, all these people that have been through the live version, they recognize that they have stress in their life and that they need to figure out how to reduce it. And you can do it too. I have confidence in you. I have confidence in you because I have witnessed so many women have shifts in their life through working with me or taking a program or a combination of both. And you can do the same. And the deadline is March 31st, 2020 at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There you go. All you have to do is click the link, scroll down, click the button, sign up, and boom, you are in. That's it. That's all you need to do. Just click that button, sign up, register, and then you get access to the course right away. You can watch it on your phone. You can watch it on your laptop. There's the audio, there's the video, there's the transcript. So no matter what your style of learning is, if you're like, you want to roll up your sleeves and you want to go along with me with the video and see everything, you can do that. If you want to listen to the audio and hear it later as a repeat, you can do that. If you want to go at your own pace, you can do that. If you want to read the transcripts so that you can go back and follow step by step that way, you can do it. It's all there for you. All there for you in those modules. And I'm so excited. So click that button below and sign up today. Don't miss this $27 deal. Don't miss the guarantee. Don't miss the deadline, because this is the lowest price that this program will ever be, 70% off. You have the 30-day guarantee. And I look forward to seeing you inside. Come join me. It's going to be amazing. I'll see you soon.